What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Edwina and this is Versicolor Closet, where we love all things colorful. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a week's worth of outfits, and in the midst of editing, I realized that all of them incorporated different shades of pink. So we'll make that the theme of the video, where I'm sharing different looks that you can wear either to work or loungewear that you could be super comfortable in, but no matter what, the goal is to always be classy and chic and comfortable. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Before we start, we gotta address the hair. So as I shared in one of my Vlogmas videos, I want to start documenting all of the hairstyles that I have on a yearly basis. So I am starting with the month of January, and I have this unit, which is also a unit from Outre. And you guys know how I always rave about the melted hairline. So basically Outre carries a line that has like this HD lace in the parting, and they call it the melted hairline. I really love it because it's less obvious and less wiggish than your typical, really bulky type wigs that I usually see at the beauty supply store. This is what it looks like in the packaging. It is in the style Arlisa, and I got a number 2. This comes in so many different colors. There's a ginger brown, a golden honey, a cherry red, a cinnamon mocha, and a hazelnut honey. This was the first time I actually ordered a unit online. I always go to the store and actually try them on, but this one I had seen on a girl on Instagram and I fell in love with it, and I kind of saved it and never actually got around to it until I thought about it, and I was like, I should like search on YouTube and see if I can find it, and I actually found the exact girl giving the tutorial, and she rocked that hair beautifully. So I'll link her video below so she can show like the whole installation process, and I'll also link to the website that I used to purchase this. I had no issues with them. I ordered just a few days ago and it was delivered today. Pros, I would say I really like the length. I love the curl pattern. I love the HD lace and all of that. When it comes to cons, the only thing that I could think of this time is the fact that I feel like the cap was a little tighter or smaller than usual. It's not uncomfortable at all, but I just feel like it's a little smaller. But it does have the adjustable strap, so if you want to make it tighter, you can. So if you have a small head, this is definitely small head friendly. If you have a big head, just adjust the strap when you get it. So yeah, that's it for the hair. Now let's get into today's video. For the first look, I'm wearing a pair of mauvey pink trousers that are high-waisted and they are wide legs. I really love these pants. You guys have seen them in multiple videos. And I paired it with this top that my mom got me for Christmas. I really like it. It's like a sweater type material, but it has like a sheer lace detail on both shoulders, which is really feminine, but it has like this peplum detail where it's like cinched at the waist. So I added a belt over it. And to finish the look, I went with a camel colored blazer coat and then brown pumps. The thing is, a look with such like soft baby pink can just come off real like spring-ish, but if you wanted it to be more like spring appropriate, I would pair it with like lighter colors like your whites and other pastels. But when it comes to fall and winter, you might want to darken up a look a bit. So I love the brown and camel accessories. Brown is a neutral, so you could totally pair it with literally every color and it will go. So I love the fact that the camel blazer is a different shade of brown than the belt and the shoes, but everything still flows together because when you have neutral accessories, they don't compete much with the rest of the look. So this would be a great look to wear on a Monday. You are stepping into the office, it's a new week and you don't want to look basic, so you are bringing the looks, but you're still office appropriate. You guys know I love a monochrome look. Once you wear the same color from head to toe, then you really don't have to worry about matching anything. And again, you guys know I always rave about having neutral accessories. So from your shoes to your bags and your coats, always make sure you have neutral accessories so that you can finish your looks effortlessly. For look number 2, so it's Tuesday morning and you are wide awake and you are ready to work. So I'm rocking this gray sleeveless sweater dress with a hot pink blazer, and I belted it with a black belt and also finished the look with a pair of knee-high boots from Aldo. I really wish I could remember where I got this dress from, but it's super old, and if I'm not mistaken, it's probably from a small boutique. It's one thing I rave about all the time. I love shopping at small boutiques because you can find some hidden gems that you can't find in like all the stores. But what really makes this dress special, although it's a plain like ribbed dress, it's the fact that it has the buttons on both sides. So you basically can adjust it and make it look like it has a slit on one side, a slit on both sides, or no slit at all. I really like that versatility, and the buttons actually stay closed when you snap them shut. So that's a plus. And I just love pairing gray and pink together. Those two colors just work really well, and in this case you have the muted shade of the gray with a brighter pink, so it's a perfect contrast. I just went with black accessories with a nude bag to finish the look, but something like this you can easily throw on a black coat and you are good to go. And as I mentioned in previous videos, always remember whenever you're starting your winter looks, you want to have your thermal undergarments on, because once you do that, you already have that one layer that has the fleece lining, so it's keeping you warm, and then you can still wear your fun pieces. This look is not only appropriate for the office, you could easily rock this to brunch because it's a little form-fitting. Some people may feel uncomfortable wearing something like that to church, but I feel like it's not inappropriate because you don't have any skin showing, you know, the cleavage is covered, the legs are covered, and you know, that's another thing that I love. In the fall and winter, use up all of your dresses that are knee length and pair them with boots and booties. Like, you can change up the look and restyle the same looks that you have so many different ways. I was talking to someone today who mentioned to me that they have not seen me wear the same outfit twice. And I'm like, you guys are so mistaken. I literally wear the same things over and over, but I just style them different ways. Like the blazer in this look, you guys have seen it in so many videos from last year to now, but I've never showed it to you the same way, because why should I? It comes in a matching set, so I've worn it as a suit set. I've worn the blazer with dresses, I've worn the blazer with shorts, I've worn the pants by themselves with sweaters, with tops, with crop tops. Like, the options really are endless. I think we just have to get more creative when it comes to styling, because you really don't want to have to keep shopping all the time. That's why I always encourage you guys to buy pieces that you love and then just mix and match them with all the things that you already own. For look number 3, I am rocking this gorgeous pleated skirt. Again, you guys have definitely seen this on my channel before. I love pleated skirts. I remember as a schoolgirl, we used to wear pleated skirts, and it was a joy to just make sure you're lining every pleat when you're ironing it to make sure that, you know, everything is crisp. So I definitely need to do that with this skirt because I washed it and the pleats are just not sitting like they used to when I first got it. So I definitely have to make sure I take my time to iron it flawlessly, but I didn't do that this time. But you still get the look. So this skirt has a whole bunch of colors. It has brown, olive, it has like a cream color and shades of orange and like a burnt orange. So it doesn't have pink in it, but for some reason, I still felt like the look flowed with the hot pink sweater. So I'm down to breaking the rules every once in a while, but I really like the look of the like satin finish skirt with a sweater material, because the contrast of like a softer fabric with like a chunkier knit just always gives off this really feminine vibe, which I really like. And to make the look more winter appropriate, I went with the same knee-high boots from the previous look. To complement the hot pink sweater, I went with this hot pink bag from Michael Kors, and this is an oldie. These things used to be so popular back in the day. I don't see anybody really wearing their Michael Kors bags now, but I wear my things and I don't intend on getting rid of it. So yeah, this is a comfortable look. And again, if you are wearing thermal leggings underneath your skirt, you could totally rock them when it's super cold. The chunky knit is gonna keep you warm. This one has a really high turtleneck. I kind of wish it was a little tighter because I hate when the turtlenecks are too loose. I also hate when they're too tight and you feel like you're suffocating. So this one is a little on the loose side, and that's an old sweater from Nasty Gal. I'm not sure if they have anything similar, but I'll be sure to link similar options for you guys below. When it's the middle of the week and you don't want to be overthinking your outfit, definitely think of pairing a skirt with a sweater and a pair of knee-high boots. It'll never fail you. For look number 4, I am rocking a gray pair of trousers from H&M. The pink sweater is also from H&M, and the dark gray blazer is from Zara. This is one of the reasons why I'm always recommending when you're getting blazers to try to go up a size. This one, although it is a size small, it's a little bit oversized, so even though I'm wearing a really chunky sweater, I can actually still wear my blazer over it. So definitely keep that in mind when you're buying blazers and coats, because you guys know that feeling when you have something that's like too tight and you feel like you're really constricted and feel like you can't move easily. So we definitely don't want that. Allow yourself some room to wiggle around and not feel, you know, just super tight and constricted. I finished this look with a pair of burgundy pumps, and I really do like the contrast of the like deeper burgundy that gives off more like fall winter vibes against all of the softer shades of the, you know, the gray trousers and then the soft pink of the sweater. This is one of those looks that show you that if you are hesitating about wearing color, you could totally just use softer shades of basically whatever colors that you love, right? I'm sure most people have shades of gray in their wardrobe, but instead of pairing your grays with black, which is just really dark, you can pair your gray trousers and gray blazers with like a nice pastel colored top. And if you're feeling a little bolder, you can incorporate prints, and it's just all fun. If you're not into wearing too many colorful pieces, you can just have some fun with your accessories. If you're someone who wears a lot of neutrals, then pairing a neutral look with like brighter accessories definitely gives you like this pop of color and makes it look less bland. Okay, so in 2022, if you're trying to incorporate more color into your wardrobe, I definitely recommend starting with the accessories because you just can never go wrong with that. Look number 5 is one of those looks that would be perfect for working at home. I know some of us are still doing the hybrid schedule. Some people are just working exclusively at home. And if that's you, you definitely want to have some loungewear pieces that are still chic. And if there's a reason throughout the day that you need to run out, you don't necessarily need to change. You can rock your, matching set that is super cozy and comfortable and just throw on a coat like I did in this look and finish the look with a pair of combat boots and a crossbody bag so you can remain hands-free. I really like how this look turned out. I actually recently picked up this matching set from ASOS. When I first got it, I was under the impression that there would be fleece on the inside, like as a lining, but it's more of a like shearling type of material on the outside of it, but the inside doesn't have any fleece. Just so you guys have a closer look, this is the sweatshirt that I'm talking about, and as you can tell, like the material is super soft, and I mean this is so cozy and comfortable. But what I was disappointed about was the lining on the inside. It's just, I don't know, I just feel like it should be softer. This is not itchy or anything, it's super comfy, but I just felt like if you're gonna wear this at home, then you just want the soft fleece on the inside that's rubbing against your skin. So if you're considering this, I would say that it's not a bad idea to pair it with a pair of like thermal undergarments. You'd have the long sleeve and the leggings to go with it. So that way you already have the fleece material rubbing against your skin and you don't need another layer of fleece because that would just be too hot. But if you're someone who gets hot easily, then you could probably just use a tank top underneath like I did and then just throw this over. Because of the lining situation, I was really second guessing returning this set. So let me know below what you guys think. Do you think I should keep this sweatshirt and matching, sweatpants, or should I send it back? But if you guys are considering like loungewear, I would definitely recommend this one. For the price, it's pretty good. I just wish that it had the fleece lining. And speaking of which, are you guys into loungewear? Should I incorporate more like loungewear pieces into some of my videos? Because again, if you're working from home, you may not want to, wear like business casual. But if you guys want some loungewear inspiration, I'm actually in the market for some. So I would definitely do a video if you're into it. So don't forget to comment below. Let me know if you think I should keep this set or if I should return it. And also let me know if you guys would like to see a loungewear video. In a previous video, I shared so many ways to style combat boots, and I didn't think of a sweatsuit set. So this one, I really like how it turns out. And one thing I really like with the styling is the fact that although the coat is gray, the buttons on it are black, which matches really well with the crossbody bag and also the boots. So everything kind of flows together, and you guys already know my love with pairing gray and pink. This look is just super effortless. I feel like this would be perfect to go run some errands. I don't know if this would be appropriate for the office. I would recommend this more as a, casual, like running errands, or maybe if you're dropping off your kids to school in the morning and you want to look put together without necessarily having to dress up. Having sets like that are super cozy and comfortable, but that don't necessarily require you to compromise on style or comfort, are definitely a yes for me. I hope that you guys enjoyed these outfits. Valentine's Day is around the corner, so maybe you're gonna start seeing a whole lot of pink everywhere. So I hope that these looks inspire you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have not subscribed, this is a good time to do so. So smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time on another one. Bye guys.